Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Mehta. Well, actually, I am looking to buy a tab for myself, and because there are so many options available in the market right now, I'm really confused. So, I have come here to meet my friend Abhishek. He's an expert on all the gadgets that are currently floating in the market. So, let's see what he has to say, and hopefully, he can clarify my confusion. So, Abhishek, जैसे मैंने तेरे को पहले बताया था कि आई एम लुकिंग टू बाय अ टैब जिसमें आई वांट द नॉर्मल एप्स जो भी है, बट आई ऑल्सो वांट प्रोडक्टिविटी, आई ऑल्सो वांट माई ऑफिस वर्क टू बी डन एंड एवरीथिंग. सो क्या क्या सजेस्ट क्या कर रहा है? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? आई शुड गो फॉर एन आईपैड और द लेटेस्ट माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफरिंग, या क्या, व्हाट, एंड्रॉइड?
लैपटॉप्स टैबलेट्स की बात कर रहा है तू. लेट मी शो यू अ बेटर ऑप्शन दैट यू कैन गो फॉर. एंड्रॉइड से, एप्पल से अच्छा विंडोज जो तू यूज करता आ रहा है, यू आर यूज्ड टू इट. ये देख,
ये क्या है?
इट इज कॉल्ड द Acer Iconia टैब बाय विंडोज 8.
अब ये टैब थोड़ी है, लैपटॉप है यार.
यही तो है यार, तूने अब तक खाली इसका लैपटॉप देखा है. लेट मी शो यू द टैबलेट नाउ. So this becomes a tablet whenever you want it. When you're working for long hours, when you have to type a lot, it can also be attached with a keyboard, and it becomes a laptop as well.
Superb,
which is running your normal Windows 8 copy. तो यार तेरे सारे गेम्स चल रहे हैं, तू ऑफिस का भी काम कर रहा है, बाकी एंटरटेनमेंट से तो जुड़ा हुआ ही है.
अच्छा, लेकिन मेरे को एक बात बता, मैं जैसे अभी मेरा आईफोन में यूज कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है फिलहाल, तो अगर मैं आईपैड लेता हूँ तो मेरा इंटीग्रेशन जो है वो काफी अच्छा हो जाता है. तो मतलब मैं विंडोज भी यूज कर रहा हूँ, ऑब्वियसली मेरा लैपटॉप विंडोज है, बट देन इसमें मेरे को वो इंटीग्रेशन ऑप्शंस है कि क्या सीन है वो मुझे नहीं, बिकॉज आई एम मोर इंक्लाइंड टुवर्ड्स एप्पल, क्योंकि ऐसा सीन है. तो
एब्सोल्युटली विंडोज 8, द होल concept was to make all your social life, all your computing in one go integrated. So we have tablets, we have Windows 8 smartphones, Windows 8 laptops.
Yeah.
So when you install your stuff on the laptop, phone and the tablet, and just put in your email ID, all your settings are available across platforms.
और यार इसका मतलब the screen is good. I think it's bigger than the iPad, no?
Yes, it is definitely bigger than the iPad.
और 8 मेगापिक्सल कैमरा है. बट देन इसका स्पेसिफिकेशंस क्या, मतलब इज इट, व्हाट्स द प्रोसेसर लाइक, और टच तो काफी फ्लूइड है, क्या अच्छा है टच तो. What is that? What is this?
Now this is called the Charms menu that Windows 8 comes with. So this is also standard in your Windows 8 laptops. When you swipe from the left hand side of the window, you come up with a menu. This menu is accessible from any app that you're using. Wherever you're on your laptop or your tablet, this is a tablet, wherever you are on your tablet, you just swipe from left and this menu comes up. You can search right from here now. You don't have to go to start, search, and then plug in a specific drive जो पहले होता था Windows में. Now it's no more like that. तो बस अभी search कर, whatever your file name is, just put it in. It searches across your apps, your stores, and internet also. So you are getting a web-based, a system-wide, and an app store-wide search right on your PC screen from one place.
Okay. तो इसमें मल्टीटास्किंग का ऑप्शन है?
मल्टीटास्किंग इज वेरी वेल इंटीग्रेटेड विद विंडोज 8. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज, जैसा मैंने अभी एक ऐप खोला है यहाँ पर, अब मुझे कोई और ऐप यूज करना है तो मैं बस चेक करता हूँ कोई लास्ट यूज्ड ऐप है, नहीं है मेरे पास. आई जस्ट गो टू माई स्टार्ट स्क्रीन अगेन एंड स्विच ऑन अनदर ऐप, दैट वुड बी माई फोटोज ऐप फॉर एग्जाम्पल. I just swipe from left and get my calendar here. Nice. I put it in. So I am looking at my calendar. I am checking out my photographs. I want to just toggle between the screen sizes. What I do is I go back here and my calendar becomes a large screen calendar, and my
so I can use both of these apps at the same
the same time. So don't worry about playing games and your boss's email at the same time.
So how much is it? मतलब अभी ये launch हो गया market में?
It is launched in the market, available all across every electronic store. MRP was 43,000. That is on the box. You're getting it around 36,000 at Chroma stores or at Reliance Digitals.
Right.
So it is also cheaper than your other tabs. Plus it gives you a better hard disk space than your other tabs. Your
hard disk मतलब कितना है इसमें?
It is a 64 GB inbuilt memory, which you can expand via a micro SD card.
This is expandable?
Yeah, expandable up to 64 GB. What Acer has achieved here is a micro SD port along with a mini USB port and an HDMI port. Apart from that, you can attach an external hard drive as well. So if you have a 1 terabyte hard disk and you attach to it, so the memory becomes 1 terabyte.
So इसका चार्जिंग कैसा है, मतलब do I have to plug it onto the keyboard या इसका खुद से भी चार्जिंग है कुछ?
नहीं यार, अगर चार्जिंग कीबोर्ड में देते तो you would have to carry the keyboard everywhere along with you. It is a tablet, so the purpose is it can be carried anywhere.
हाँ.
So ये लेके जाओ and all there's a charging port here.
Right.
Just
right.
plug in the
अच्छा.
charger, and there you go. That's how you charge it.
Wow.
Now, what Windows has achieved here is put live tiles as their main user interface. सारे Apple devices एक ही जैसे दिखते हैं with their iOS thingy small
Yeah,
icons.
yeah.
सारे Android एक जैसे दिखते हैं. Personally मैं तो बड़ा बोर हो गया हूँ यार. Now we have something very fresh here. What it does is, जैसे मेरा ये news app है यहाँ पर.
हाँ.
When I am connected to the internet, ये news यही बता रहा है मुझे on this screen itself.
It keeps
So,
updating.
It keeps updating. So I have all the headlines right here. तो मुझे बार बार ऐप के अंदर जाकर click on a news and then check it. I don't have to do that. I just click here. If there is something that I want to read, I'll just click on it and use it.
Okay.
Apart from that, what I have the weather here. The weather I can configure as many cities I want. Now it is auto updating itself and it is showing me right on the tile.
Right.
So I have Mumbai weather right now here.
So मतलब basically
same way-
ऐप के अंदर जाने की अभी जरूरत
कोई
ही नहीं है
जरूरत नहीं.
इसमें.
All I want it is right here. So मेरा messaging app एक है. Windows has put a messaging app all together. So what they have here is they have Gmail, Yahoo, MSN Messenger, everything what you can sign here itself.
Oh,
So
okay.
all your chat rooms are available to you in one single app that is called the messaging app. So when I do this,
Super.
here's my chat window.
Right.
Here it will show me what all networks am I connected to. Right now I'm connected to MSN Messenger.
हाँ.
And that's how I go about my chatting.
So अभी how do I go back to the main screen because यहाँ पे कोई keys तो नहीं दिख रहा है ना ही कुछ back का है.
Right. यहाँ पर कोई key नहीं है. It is without a hard button.
हाँ.
So to go back to my main screen, all I have to do is click on the Windows small logo, the beautiful logo that they have put in here. I just click on the logo and it takes me back to the start screen.
Wow, okay.
Apart from that, अगर ऐप बंद करना होगा, ऐप भी तो बंद करेगा, शुरू करेगा तो. All I do is swipe down from the top
Wow.
and the app is shut.
Super. अच्छा मतलब it's shut. It's
It
not
is shut.
multitasking.
It's not minimized. It's shut.
It's shut.
To
Okay.
minimize an app, all you have to do is just click on the Windows logo and it goes back to the multitasking thing. It minimizes itself. Windows 8 comes with a lot of personalization options. So what I can do is I can just move tiles according to my ease, the way I use them. जैसे photos मैं regularly check करता हूँ, I can put it to the start.
Right.
I don't need my store that much. अगर मैं कुछ download नहीं कर रहा हूँ ज़्यादा, I just pull it and put it at the very end.
Okay.
ये हो गया. Now I can create groups here the way I want. Example, I want photos, camera to be in one group.
Okay.
I just drag my camera option. I just drag my camera option there. I want Skype to be there. So now ये भी सोचेगा group बना लिया, अब name भी करूँगा group को. So all I do is I just swipe here. I just pinch in on the screen and I come to the groups area. When I select this group here, it gives me an option to edit and name the group.
Wow.
So I just go and name it.
तो इसका what is the processor like? इसका?
It is a 1.8 gigahertz Atom processor that has been very successful in the netbooks
Right.
and has been operated on the netbooks for a very long time. We have
Right.
put the same 1.8 gigahertz Atom processor in here.
Or as like two options, अगर this and the latest iPad that has
Right.
come out. तू क्या बोलेगा? Like what would be like your final verdict kind of a thing?
Personally, I would go with the Acer Iconia because of a completely fresh look that we get along with it. Apart from that, it is Windows.
हाँ.
So all my PC stuff is Windows.
Okay.
I get
yeah.
everything accessible right on here.
Right.
My settings are available here. My Windows documents are available here. I can work on MS Office flawlessly.
But then has Microsoft optimized the Office for the tabs, because you know it gets a little difficult to work on an Office.
Microsoft Office is optimized for tabs, but this runs a normal Windows 8 operating system.
Huh.
So the advantage of having a normal Windows 8 operating system is that I can have my .exe files
Yeah.
that was available for my previous versions installed on this.
Oh, cool.
So I can install any software that I had with a .exe file right here and I can use. So a laptop is a very personal thing. A laptop or a tablet is a very personal thing. You don't like to share it with people very often. पहले भी laptop use कर चुका है, tablet use कर चुका है, password set करता था. How did you set up your password before?
Name, number, same thing. Yeah.
You were restricted to alphanumeric stuff.
Yeah.
Now on Windows 8, what they have introduced is called a picture password.
Okay.
So for example, I have a picture selected here, and all I have to do is select 3 gestures on my picture.
Huh.
So when I click on these 3 gestures, my tablet unlocks. All I do is I click 1, 2, and 3, and there you go.
I can set any picture that I want.
Any picture that you want, you can select 3 gestures. It can be 3 clicks of a point,
So let me
or
lock it.
3 swoosh gestures, whatever you want.
If I put in something else, let's say
Just
1,
put anything.
2, 3, it is open.
Okay, now you go again.
1, 2, and
The third lady, yeah. No, that is also incorrect because I have selected the 3 gestures on the center of these 3 points.
oh, okay, it's that accurate.
Yeah, if you click anywhere beyond that, it will say no. So
I guess I'm sold, man, because it has everything. Like, it's the best part that I really liked about it is that I do not have to separately go and buy a laptop because I have a tab. If I buy this, I buy a laptop with a tab essentially.